Have you noticed your car feels slower than it used to? The throttle response is not sharp, hills feel harder to climb, and overtaking now takes planning instead of confidence. You are not imagining it. According to US vehicle diagnostics data, over 62% of drivers experience noticeable engine power loss after 80,000 miles, even when no warning lights are on. The scary part is this: most engines don't lose power suddenly. Power fades quietly due to small issues stacking up over time.
In this video, we are going to reveal the 6 methods to restore lost engine power, and these methods are backed by real repair data and used by experienced mechanics. Let's dive in. Method 1. Clean the intake system. One of the most common causes of lost engine power is restricted airflow. According to US emissions inspection data, over 58% of vehicles over 90,000 miles show airflow restriction due to carbon buildup, even when no check engine light is present. Carbon slowly coats the throttle plate and intake walls, reducing airflow precision and causing delayed throttle response. Cleaning the intake and throttle body restores smooth, unrestricted airflow, allowing the engine to breathe properly again. Here is how to clean. First, disconnect the intake hose leading to the throttle body. With the engine off, spray a throttle body safe cleaner onto a clean microfiber cloth. Gently wipe carbon deposits from the throttle plate and bore while manually opening the throttle if allowed by the design. Reassemble everything carefully and allow the engine to idle for a few minutes afterward so it can stabilize airflow. When done correctly, this restores lost airflow efficiency and recovers noticeable power without expensive repairs. Method 2. Fix fuel delivery weaknesses. Fuel system issues rarely trigger warning lights early, but even minor fuel flow problems can dramatically reduce engine power. According to AAA, fuel delivery problems account for nearly 20% of engine performance complaints in the US. Dirty fuel injectors, weak fuel pumps, or clogged fuel filters cause uneven fuel spray, lean conditions, and delayed combustion. This leads to sluggish throttle response and poor high RPM performance. Here is how to fix it. Start by using a high-quality fuel injector cleaner added to a near-empty fuel tank. Then, fill with fresh, top-tier gasoline. Drive the vehicle at highway speeds for at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow proper cleaning under load. For heavily affected engines, professional pressurized injector cleaning may be required, where a technician bypasses the fuel tank and cleans injectors directly. After cleaning, many engines regain smoother acceleration and stronger mid-range pull. This method works best when repeated every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. Restoring fuel atomization allows each combustion cycle to release maximum energy, directly improving power.
Methods 3. Regain power by restoring ignition performance. Spark plugs and ignition components are silent power killers when neglected. According to Consumer Reports, over 70% of vehicles running original spark plugs past 80,000 miles show measurable power loss. As plugs wear, the spark becomes weaker and inconsistent, causing incomplete combustion. To restore your engine power, inspect and replace spark plugs using the manufacturer-recommended type and gap specification. Always remove and install plugs with a torque wrench to avoid cylinder head damage. While plugs are out, inspect ignition coils for cracking, corrosion, or oil contamination. Replace any coil showing signs of weakness, especially if misfires occur under acceleration. After replacement, start the engine and allow it to idle briefly so the ECU can adjust. Proper ignition restoration often results in smoother acceleration, faster revving, and improved fuel economy. Method 4. Remove carbon buildup. Carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber and on valves acts like insulation, especially in modern direct injection vehicles. US repair studies show that over 60% of direct injection engines experience significant intake valve carbon buildup by 70,000 miles. As a result, engines lose torque, idle poorly, and struggle under load. Short trips and extended idling accelerate this problem dramatically. To fix this issue, use a manufacturer-approved intake cleaning spray applied through the intake system while the engine is running, following exact RPM instructions. After cleaning, the engine should be driven aggressively for a short period to clear residue.
Drivers often notice restored low-end torque and smoother idle immediately. Carbon removal allows the engine to breathe and burn fuel correctly again.
Method 5. Restore sensor accuracy to unlock hidden power. Modern engines rely heavily on sensors, and when those sensors drift out of calibration, power quietly disappears. According to US diagnostic reports, nearly 35% of performance complaints are caused by inaccurate sensor data rather than mechanical failure. The most critical sensors affecting power are the mass airflow sensor, oxygen sensors, and throttle position sensor. When these sensors become dirty or slow to respond, the ECU reduces fuel and timing to protect the engine. To restore the sensor performance, carefully clean the mass airflow sensor using only MAF safe cleaner, and never touch the sensor element. Inspect oxygen sensor data with a scan tool to ensure fast response times. If sensors are sluggish or stuck, replacement is required. This often brings back crisp throttle response drivers forgot their car had.
Method 6. Restore compression balance between cylinders. Engines don't lose power evenly. One weak cylinder can drag the entire engine down. US engine teardown data shows over 40% of engines with noticeable power loss suffer from uneven compression rather than total wear. Carbon-stuck piston rings or leaking valves reduce cylinder pressure, cutting torque output. If compression is marginal but not catastrophic, use a high-quality piston ring cleaner or top engine cleaning procedure. Follow the product's soak and drive instructions carefully. In many cases, compression improves noticeably after treatment. Restoring cylinder balance allows the engine to produce even, strong power strokes again. This method can delay or eliminate the need for engine rebuilds when done early. That's all for this video. Lost engine power is rarely caused by one big failure. It is usually dozens of small efficiency losses stacking up. If your car feels slower than it used to, don't accept it as normal aging, because most of the time, it is fixable. See you in the next video.